Columbia Sportswear is the global leader in apparel and footwear sales, based out of Portland, Oregon, but we do business everywhere in the world. If our technology is doing its job, it allows us to attract new customers at a faster rate and retain customers at a better rate, as well as allowing our staff to develop cooler and better products that ultimately will sell more to the public. We had a collection of technologies that was probably 10 or 15 years old from multiple vendors, and it just got to the point we could no longer support them and maintain them and truly continue to provide world-class service to our users. As we got into it and really started to better understand how our users were printing, we realized we were wasting a lot of money, and there had to be a better way to do that. The majority of the companies were pitching us kind of a canned menu of options that they'd probably used and sold to a lot of other customers, but they didn't feel right for Columbia. And it wasn't until we got to our Lexmark team that we finally were able to get the solution and deliver a technology that we thought was game-changing and was really going to allow us to revolutionize our output strategy and truly bring new technology to our users at a level we had not been able to do before. Over the last three to 5 years, Columbia has seen some significant growth as a company, both from our retail perspective and our wholesale business. I have to have platforms and solutions that will grow as fast as the business wants them to grow. What Lexmark was able to deploy, not only with our MPS solution, but with print release and some of the other technologies, was a solution that we knew we could grow really at the speed of a phone call. It took us a matter of minutes to place a new order. Takes us a matter of days to deliver an order, and we can be up and running in a new location, whether that's a retail store or a corporate office or a remote office, in a matter of days, not weeks or months. And that's really the solutions that I need to be able to deploy and what Lexmark was able to find for us. We're demoing a couple pilot projects right now in AP on just automating invoicing and automating expense reporting. HR is looking at automating of user applicant tracking. Retail is looking at it for various forms and new hire documentation that's needed at the retail stores. It finally gave us a platform that we could start to at least explore and imagine what could be next. And we didn't have to build the infrastructure to start the exploration. We could truly just start showing options to our end users. If there's one thing that I really value about our Lexmark relationship, it's that they're not pushy. They're going to work with us to try to figure out what the right solution is and the right time to deploy it. And that's really where I think Lexmark has differentiated itself from its competitors in the market, and truly even some of my other vendors that aren't even in this same space. Lexmark's been able to truly become a partner of ours and a trusted solution provider that we can leverage when we need it and truly be successful with it. This was a really big win for us, not only from a technology perspective, but from a company perspective. And we're pretty proud of the work that we've done and the technology we've been able to provide for this company.